Right, demonstrating how to use Backlink Sniper. When you've downloaded the file, you'll have a zip file called backlink-sniper.zip. Open up that zip file and double click on the setup file within. Up comes the installer. Click Next. It's going to install to C program files Backlink Sniper. Click Next and Next again. Create a desktop icon. Next and install. Once it's finished, the software will automatically load. This is a really simple program to use, and all you need to do is to put your target phrase in here that you want to look at. So let's look at niche marketing. Right, now we put in the number of competitors that we want to look at. I'm only going to look at one. One competitor can potentially bring back 1,000 results, so we'll stick with one at the moment. And click play. The software goes off to Google, searches for the term niche marketing, and then goes off to Yahoo Site Explorer, and will take all the links that it finds there, and then it will look for WordPress blogs within those links. So far it's got 100 backlinks here, 200. Now we're up to 500 blogs, 600, 1,000 backlinks. And now it's going to visit each one of these in turn, determining whether they're a WordPress blog or not. It's also filtered the URLs and removed all duplicates, so the process will take a lot less time than searching through the whole 1,000 blogs. We'll leave it to run for a bit. Here we go, it's found our first WordPress site now. Right, the next thing it's going to do when it's run through all of these blogs and found all the WordPress sites, it's going to filter those WordPress sites to see if they're actually open blogs. And if they're an open blog, they're the type of blog that you can comment on. And so you'll see that figure reflected here. Okay, so it's found us 11 WordPress links so far. And this process is going to take quite a while, so I recommend that you just leave it to run. When it's completed, it will have written the WordPress blogs that it's found to the ABP folder in your My Documents, which I'll get up now and show you. And you'll see a file here called wordpressblogs.txt, which will have all of those filtered blogs in. Now all you need to do is to open up Authority Backlink Pro, which I shall do now. The first thing you do here is to go to Search and Post and load in a profile. Now I've got my niche marketing profile there, so I'll load that one in. I'll put some test data in here. And then I'll select Import BLP List. Now what that will do is it will load in that list of WordPress blogs. Then it will go to each one of those WordPress blogs and it will fill out the information here. That about covers the operation of Backlink Sniper. It's a very simple program, It just takes a long time to run because it has to do a lot of filtering and searching. So just leave that running in the background and forget about it, and just concentrate on using Authority Backlink Pro. Okay, I think that concludes the demonstration. I think you should have a good grasp of how to use Backlink Sniper now.